changed my life in a really amazing way. PACE has taught me that just because I have things about me that are different doesn't mean I can't succeed like anybody else.
Our kids come to us after a really tough journey, and when they get here, what they find is so many things, such as acceptance, understanding, reaching them of where they are, and knowing the potential that they have and taking them to that highest potential.
Students with learning disabilities thrive at Pace Brantley Preparatory School because of the school's unique, innovative learning environment, which focuses on each student's individual strengths and unique style of learning.
So for our kids, I think it's important for them to have more hands-on experiences. Their learning is different, and we have to look at them from that perspective.
Teaching students with how their brain works and recognizing that not all children learn the same way. They talk to them about what their dreams are and what they want to become, and then it's magical.
Pace Brantley has a full academic curriculum, but it's the school's blended learning techniques that makes it unique and successful for students with learning disabilities.
So I think one of the things that makes PACE different is that our kids get to experience hands-on, and we get to have the time implemented for them to learn skills, apply those skills, and think how they're going to do with those skills after they leave PACE. We give these kids a toolbox that no other school will do for them. So throughout the campus, our teachers try to implement things that they can do, they can feel, they can apply what they learn as a regular education, but then we have to apply it into doing it.
Applying classroom education with hands-on learning is prominent in the school's agriculture program.
So every grade level has an opportunity out here to learn something different. Where elementary, I've had it out here where they're learning math, where they're learning area and perimeter calculations, they're learning measurement, and so they can do that as far as planting seeds every 2 inches and only an inch deep.
The students plant, maintain, harvest, and sell crops from the garden. They also learn about fertilization through aquaponics.
PACE has the opportunity to provide these kids for basically the local jobs.
Collaboration, innovation, and creativity thrives in the school's television production studio and stagecraft program.
Kids, once we find out what the musical is, the kids completely design the sets and a lot of the props from the ground up.
The class empowers the students.
And so it's a really big deal. We really try to make this show as student-driven and as student-run as possible.
Pace Brantley Preparatory School also provides enhanced support with programs such as Orton Gillingham, speech and occupational therapies, thinking maps, and flex classes, which stands for Focused Learning Experience, to help students explore and learn outside of the state-mandated curriculum.
Here, our students are going to learn the concepts. They're going to learn the same material as everybody else their age, but we're going to teach it to them in a way that works for them, that helps them shine, that shows their talents.
Helping students shine includes the entire family. Pace Brantley has a unique wraparound approach which empowers families with social, emotional, academic support, and training to help their child succeed.
I did not like the bees and lizards.
When Hadi first joined Pace, he wouldn't walk across campus because of the lizards and bees. Through understanding and support from a loving teacher and a sticker book, Hadi now thrives around campus.
We use a sticker book to get confidence and courage.
Empowering students to succeed is the why behind Pace Brantley Preparatory School, and is continuously looking forward to what skills students need for the future.
I envision PACE as being a makerspace where our kids can build robotic arms, where our kids can think what things we need in the world to help people, to help the world, building, machines that can clean the ocean. And these kids have that type of mind, where our kids can be superheroes building things that are futuristic.
PACE is like 9 acres of a little piece of heaven, because we can truly do all the things in education that you dream about doing, that you dream about as a teacher or an administrator of what a school really needs to look like. And we can do that here.
I have been given all the tools that I need to do things, and I've been shown that just because I learn a little differently doesn't mean that I'm any different than any other kid.